Good day, friends. My another topic in power lecture series is two transistor analogy of SCR, or we can say two transistor analogy of thyristor. So here I can explain that SCR is a 4-layer 3-junction device, as we explained earlier. Okay, so anode, cathode and gate terminal are there. So if we divide into two sections, so P and P and PN, so it will divide in a two transistor like P and P and NPN. So this is called two transistor analogy because it explains the analogy of two transistor PNP and NPN transistor. So it will divide like P and P and NPN. So there is a PNP transistor, this one I will explain that because the arrow mark in inward, so this is PNP transistor and arrow is outward, so this is NPN transistor. Okay, so we can see that PNP transistor, anode, this one anode, okay, base terminal is this N and collector is this P. Okay, so base is connected to N. Base is connected to collector of second transistor and base is connected to collector of first transistor. So second collector is connected to first transistor and this is a emitter of NPN transistor. This is a emitter of NPN transistor. So this is a connection. So anode current basically IE1 is IA. First anode current is basically IA. So IE is IA and first base current is equal to collector current of second and first collector current is equal to base current of second, or we can say gate current. So IC1 and IB1 and IG, gate current, and emitter current of second is equal to cathode current. Okay, so here we can explain all the equation. So anode, cathode and gate, anode current, gate current and cathode current. If common collector gain of Q1 and Q2, if alpha 1 and alpha 2, Q1 and Q2 is transistor 1 and transistor 2. So current gate of transistor 1 is alpha 1 and current gate of transistor 2 is alpha 2. So IC1, collector current of transistor 1 is alpha 1 IE1 plus ICO1. IC2 is alpha 2 IE2 plus ICO2. For Q2 transistor, so for you can see from this, from Q2 transistor, IE2 emitter current of second transistor is equal to IC2 and IB2, this one. Okay, this we can say IB2. Okay, so then IE2 equal to IC2 plus IB2 is IC1 plus IG. You can see from this IB2 is IC and IG combination. You can see IC1 plus IG. So IE2 is IC2 plus IC1 plus IG and IK, this one, is equal to IE2. Okay, IC2 plus I1 IG. Okay, IE2 equal to IK, cathode current. So here IE2, IK is IA plus IG. IA plus IG equal to IC2 plus IC1 plus IG. The the IG will give IA equal to IC2 plus IE1. Then from equation 1 and 2, what was the equation 1 and 2? This one, IC1 equals to this and this. So from equation 1 and 2, IA equal to IC2 and IC1. We would put the value of IC1 and IC2. Then alpha 2 is common, IA plus IG. Sorry, IE2, we will put the value of IE2 from this. IE2 equals to IK or equal to IA plus IG. So IA plus IG plus alpha 1 IA plus IE2, because IE1 is equal to IA, where I say that from this IE1 equal to IA. So IE1 equal to IA we put there, IC2 plus ICO1. Then we will explain IA equal IA bracket, because by solving this, IA equal to alpha 2 IA plus alpha 2 IG plus alpha 1 IA plus ICO2 plus ICO1. So here IA common, IA, this one, IA will be there and this IA will be there. So where we get common IA plus alpha 1 plus alpha 2, ICO2, ICO1 plus alpha 2 IG. From the equation we get IA equal to ICO1, ICO2 plus alpha 2 IG upon 1 plus alpha 1 alpha 2. So if IG increase, alpha gate current basically, if gate current increase, alpha 1 alpha 2 tends to 1. So if IA increase, SCR will be turned on. I explain this where I explained about turn on method of SCR. I will give the link from a comment box. So this will turn on. So this is a 2 transistor math analogy of SCR. You can check it from here. This is a 2 transistor of SCR, analogy of SCR. So SCR will be turned on if IA increase. So if you have an